Melissa here, The Raw Lifestyle, and I decided to weigh myself every Wednesday just to kind of keep track of my progress as far as that goes. And a lot of people have been asking me, how much weight have you lost? So it'll be one way that they can kind of check in that on my weight as well. When I started this juice fast, I started on a Tuesday and I did record my weight. And unfortunately, I don't know if it didn't record or what, but my starting weight on Tuesday, the 21st of January 2015, my weight was 238.6. But then I realized when I was editing the videos that I didn't have the clip. So I weighed myself on Wednesday, which was technically a whole day of juice fasting, and that's the weight that you guys will see on this video, and that was 237. So it's about a pound difference, give or take. But from now on, I will weigh myself on Wednesdays. It is a little after, it's almost noon now, I think. I forgot to weigh myself this morning. Ideally, I like to weigh myself when I first get up, but having school in the morning, it's, you know, it's busy time for me. So nonetheless, I will get to my weight for today, Wednesday, January 28th, 2015, after 7 full days of being on nothing but juice. I did not record yesterday. I cannot find the clip for that. So I'm going to do a redo weight, but my weight yesterday on day 1 of my juice fast was 238.6. So I'm going to do kind of like a redo weight now. As you can see, it is Thursday, January 22nd. 237.8. So I lost almost a pound, which is obviously going to be normal. I'm going to lose something just being on liquids. Again, it is the 22nd, and I'm going to do this one more time. 237.8. It is Wednesday, January 28th. Let's see if I lost any weight. 231.6. Do it one more time. 231.6. So, you guys saw it, 231.6. Technically, I lost 7 pounds since day 1, but as a recorded weight, it's 6 pounds. But nonetheless, 6 pounds, 7 days, not too bad. I'm only going down from here. Stay tuned for the next weigh-in next Wednesday.